जिनके पैनल को 8 में से 7 वार्ड में जीत हासिल हुई है। और अभी वो हमारे हमारे साथ है, उनको खुद को वार्ड नंबर 4 से जीत मिली है। हालांकि उनका वार्ड चेंज किया था, लेकिन उसका कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ा उनको, और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी मार्जिन से जीत हासिल की। हम उनसे जानेंगे उनकी रिएक्शन क्या है। सर, आपका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन, जीत के आए हैं। क्या कहना चाहते हो इस मौके पे कि ये जीत जो 8 में से 7 वार्ड आपने जीते हैं, इस जीत को कैसे देखते?
So I just want to start off by thanking the people of Panjim first for placing their faith in us yet again. I know there was a lot of confusion before the elections and a lot of issues that were not related to the corporation were brought up. But I'm very happy to. I just want to thank the people again for the support that they've showed us, and we plan on implementing everything that is required of us. And I just want to say thank you.
हमने हमने आपकी रिएक्शन, पहली रिएक्शन देखी थी कि आपने उन्होंने लोगों से माफ़ी भी मांगी कि उस दिन आपने जो स्टेटमेंट किया था फ्लो में, उसकी माफ़ी भी मांगी थी, जिस पे उत्पल ने भी काउंटर किया था उस दिन। तो उस पे आप क्या कहेंगे?
No, so like I said also now, it was a long few days and everything, and it's okay to attack a candidate, I think, based on the work that they have done. Right? But I think personal attacks should be avoided, and I apologize for that. Like, it's not something that should be encouraged even amongst candidates. Like other candidates can say what they want about us, and they have said it shouldn't really bother us. So I'm just apologizing for that.
अपोजिशंस ने जो मुद्दे उठाए थे एंड में, कि जैसे कि स्मार्ट सिटी हो या पार्किंग इशू हो, ट्रैफिक इशू हो, इस पे जो मुद्दे उठाए थे, जो कि काम नहीं किए, जो उन्होंने एक माहौल बनाया था आपके अगेंस्ट या आपके पैनल के अगेंस्ट, वो कहीं दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। तो आपको क्या लगता है कि लोगों ने आपके काम के बेसिस पे पसंद किया है, या आपको फिर से एक बार मेयर बनने का चांस दिया है?
Yeah, see now the opposition only see now they cannot campaign on any points, right? So now if you look at even smart city, even I had agreed there were a lot of issues with the smart city, but we handled a lot of it. A lot of projects of smart city that are successful. If you look at again now Mala, that same, I keep saying Mala because Mala was flooding for the past 20 years, but now people can rest assured that their houses will not flood, right? So that in itself is a huge accomplishment. Panjim has been flood free for the past 3 years. There are issues like parking, I know, is an issue which we plan on tackling this year. But the opposition has nothing to say, right? In terms of development, we have won at least now 7 out of our 8 seats. That is a testament to the work that we have done. Right? See, people also are smart. Every time they go around, they can see that the streets are clean. Our Prime Minister himself has praised us. The city has flooded less. The shopkeepers are happy. Businesses are happy. So there is a lot of work that does. Just because you say that no work has been done, that you cannot fool people that way, right? People know that there have been issues, I admit, and for that I apologize also. But we have done a good job. I think we've done a good job, and there's plenty more to be done, and we shall do a better job in the coming term also.
सो सर, लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, 2027 का अभी इलेक्शन आने वाला है, और इस इसी इलेक्शन को उस तरीके के देखा जा रहा था कि 2027 का सेमीफाइनल है, तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, किसके साइड में लोग रहेंगे। तो आप को क्या लगता है 2027 का ये क्लियर मैसेज है लोगों का कि बाबूश जी फिर से एक बार एमएलए बन जाएंगे?
See, like I've said also now, Panjim now has a minister and has an MLA that has been working for the past 25 years. See, now this panel, if you look at it now, this panel is a panel of convenience, right? You have AAP, Congress, Utpal, who have combined and joined forces. Now the thing is that they have not presented an alternative to the city, right? What their plan is, what they're doing on. They had campaigned against casinos. One day before, the Utpal himself has come out and said he cannot do anything about casinos. See, now we have a history, at least the minister has a history of 25 years or 30 years of working hard for the people of things. And they have seen that. There are thousands of people that he has helped. And it is not like his doors are ever shut. See, now, for example, people have access to him 24 hours a day. They have access to him throughout the day, throughout the year, throughout the weeks and everything. That is fine. That is something that the opposition cannot replicate, right? Because now they have been here only for a short amount of time. They have promised people a lot of stuff, but they have not accomplished anything that they have spoken about, right? Utpal himself has not been there for Panjim for over the past 5 years, so you cannot even count him as competition. See, even though we take every opponent seriously, I believe that I'm hoping that the work that we have done, right, should be testament to, it should be, we hope people support us, that's basically.
कितने सीट्स आएंगे?
See, now one is down. I am hoping 29 out of 30 would be good actually.
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू यू। तो ये थे रोहित मोन्सेरा जी, जिन्होंने कहा है कि 30 में से 29 सीटें जो है वो उनकी आएंगी। और हालांकि एक उनका सीट गया है, जो कि फुतारदो जो है, सुरेंद्र फुतारदो के लड़के, उनको जीत हासिल हुई है। तो अभी तो वो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट लग रहा है और उन्होंने सीधा कहा है कि लोगों ने उनके काम के ऊपर उनको वोट दिया है और वो बाबूश मोन्सेरात के पैनल को पहले राउंड में जिताया है। तो आगे के राउंड की हम आपको अपडेट देते रहेंगे। आप देखते रहे राष्ट्र टीवी।